up, guys? I am back with another video. Do you feel me? Do you feel me? If you don't feel me, it's okay, but if you do, make sure you like and subscribe before watching the rest of this video. But today I'm going to show you guys how I do my knotless braids. I've done them probably twice, maybe once. Basically, I'm gonna show you guys what's up and basically all the supplies that you need to do it. So let's just get into it. Get into it. Let's get. No, am I too hype? Sorry. All right, let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna just go over the supplies that I actually use. So obviously you're gonna need this joint little rat tail comb. I don't know what y'all call it, but that's what I call it. The metal tipped ends is so much better. It's more precise, you know, get in there, get out, okay? Obviously like a brush or something. Okay, so I use a combination of Eco and this gel. And this one just holds it because knotless braids, I'm gonna be honest, they don't last as long as regular braids. So I like to use this on the roots, not my whole hair. So yeah, this one just like keeps it in for real. You know what I'm saying? Make it last longer. What else do you need? You need some clips. I like these metal ones. Some bigger clips. What else? Oh, and I got this hair. Okay, so this is my first time using this hair. So, you know, I can give you a little review on it, but it's already pre-stretched, which is great for knotless hair. Like, if you have pre-stretched hair, it's like, all you have to do is divide the little pieces. But yeah, that's basically all you need. You just need your hair, your clips, your gel, and call it a day. So let's get started. So I'm gonna actually do half my head first because I feel like it's gonna be easier to show you in the front. It's gonna be weird going like, you know what I'm saying, trying to, you know, show it from the back. It's gonna give me back problems and stuff like that. So I'm gonna just do at least half my head and then come back and show you the front. But I definitely deep condition my hair. You always want to deep condition your hair before a protective style. And sometimes I clip my ends like a week before. And yeah. That's what I did. And I just blow dried it. So yeah, I'm gonna just get to it. So I'll be right back. Yeah. Okay, but wait, before I start your hair, I'm gonna show you how you can prep your hair. So basically you can find anything. I'm gonna use my couch ledge. Let me bring this down a little bit. Hold up. I'm gonna use this couch ledge, right? And basically I'm gonna take small pieces, like literally like this small, just small pieces, and I'm gonna just lay it there. I feel like it just makes the process like so much faster. Like, we want smaller ones when you first start your braid, and you want to get to a little bit bigger ones when you're towards the end. So basically, as you can see, I just made a bunch of small pieces on the side of my couch. Now I got a hairy couch, but it's okay, we're gonna clean up after. Okay guys, so it is literally like 1 o'clock in the morning. I finished the back. I'm now in the front, so I'm about to show you what it is, how to do it, slow motion, everything you need to know about knotless. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is get my got2b glue. Try to see. Okay, I'm gonna take like a little dab, not that much, like just a little bit. I put that on my roots. Rub it in a little bit. Then I take my Eco. Hold up, it's a little far. Okay, then I take like a glob of Eco and I do it for the rest of the parts. Now I take it and I divide it into 3 separate parts. The 3 separate parts don't have to be neat. Just 3, 1, 2, 3, boom. Okay, so basically what you want to do is keep the strand in a U, and you're going to put it between these. Do you see it? Oh, I dropped it. But you're going to put it between these 2. But you want to make sure that it's close to your root. So you want to kind of like bring it up to where your root is. I use my finger right here to hold it against my my scalp basically. So I take my 3 strands. While my finger is still holding it, I use this finger to grab the next strand, and I use this, sorry, put this out the way. I use this finger and I bring the next part over and I braid, basically. Then I take another strand. I keep it in the U and I just add it between the two. And I always use my pointer finger to basically keep it up where it is. So every 2 braids, I add a piece of hair. Keep it in the U, hold it, and braid. So I'm going to re-show you how to add it throughout the strand. So you have your 3 equal strands. 1, you have your 2, and the one I'm holding over here. So you have 1, 2, 3. When you're grabbing this, you should have your 2 fingers clamping the middle one down. You're going to open up those 2 fingers and like grab it. Then I'm going to put these 2 strands together, keeping my finger up to hold it, and I twist like I'm going to keep braiding. I don't know if you got that. I'm going to do it a few more times for you guys. When I get to this braid, I'll show you again. Okay, I'm going to do it again. So I'm taking my Got To Be gel. I'm placing it at the roots, rubbing it in basically. Then I'm taking my Eco and doing the rest of the hair. I'm going to take it into 3 equal parts. So I have my first strand, my second strand, and my third strand. Now, I always hold the middle strand like this, because it's easier to grab the hair that I add. So see, I'm going to place it in my fingers. I'm placing between the 2 strands, but I want this to be up here. So basically, I'm placing it in between, and I'm using this finger to apply it to my scalp. Okay? So this is my first strand, second strand, third strand. So then I'm just going to braid like normal. I usually do about 2, and then I add another strand of hair. I keep it in the U form, and I always put it between the 2. And I use my finger to hold it up and grab the next strand. Taking another piece, holding it up between, and grabbing the strand like I'm about to braid. The further I go down, the less I start using. I just use it to build up the thickness that I want. And then I'll stop adding. And then depending on how long you want it, you'll probably add more towards the bottom of the braid. And I don't add another one until, hold up, let me fix the camera, until I get to about right here, because the length of my braids are pretty darn long. So yeah, add another strand. Again, I have my 3 strands, 1, 2, 3. I'm adding this in between the 2. And I'm just using, you can just start braiding. I use this finger to hold it up and just keep braiding. And guys, I'm literally only on my 2nd pack of the hair. Like, Knotless uses so much less hair, like so much less, and it's like more lightweight for real. And there's less tension because it's not like gripping your scalp. You're like making it come naturally out of it. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's just more lightweight and it's less stress on your hair follicles. So yeah. So I'm just going to keep on braiding. I usually stop around my hip because that's where I usually kind of cut it around there. And yeah, so I'm probably going to go to sleep after this. I'm a little tired. So tomorrow I'm going to just show you like the finished look. Bruh, I was just watching that previous vid. Bruh, my noggin is wilding. Like, I promise you I got edges. But I promise you I have edges. It's just the way my hairline set up, you know. It's okay. What is up, guys? So this is basically like 2 days later because of like Christmas and holidays and stuff. But this is the final look. Oh, I don't want to be copyrighted, so I'm gonna just sing a song. It's almost disrespectful. There's a downgrade and you know it. Still your best. Me. Still your best. Me. Bow chicka bow wow. I know you'll see the parts. Bow chicka bow wow. Damn. They looking good. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from it. I hope, you know, you can get to this point. But I will be doing a video on how to style knotless braids. So stay tuned for that. That's going to come this week. And what else? What else do I have to say? Oh yeah, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and you know, sharing is caring. So make sure you share, show love, and I'll see you guys next video. She can do it all.